West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Perry County, northwestern Morgan County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pleasantville, or 8 miles west of Somerset, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, and Junction City. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fairfield County until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pleasantville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Bremen, Pleasantville, Rushville, West Rushville, and North Bern. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.